Sachin.
Now, cutting across to Maharashtra, at least 12 BJP MLAs have been suspended for a period of 1 year for unruly behavior. Now, the MLAs have been accused of, or rather suspended for heckling and using unparliamentary language against Bhaskar Yadav, temporary speaker of the assembly at the Vidhan Bhavan. Yadav was conducting meeting of assembly in absence of the speaker. The Maharashtra Assembly was adjourned for 10 minutes today after ruckus broke out inside the Assembly over the OBC resolution. Bhaskar Yadav alleged that after the House was adjourned, opposition leaders went into his cabin, hurled abuses at him in front of the former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and senior leader Chandrakant Patil. Bhaskar Yadav has also asked Parliamentary Affairs Minister to probe this issue.
सबसे पहले तो भाजपा के कोई भी सदस्य ने किसी भी सम्माननीय सदस्य या तालिका अध्यक्ष को गाली गलौज नहीं किया। गाली गलौज करने वाले लोग तो शिवसेना के थे। बावजूद उसके ये कार्रवाई हुई है, तो इसका वर्णन मैं इतना ही कर सकता हूं कि तालिबानी पद्धति से सरकार चलाने वालों को भी शर्म आ जाए। ऐसे नए तालिबानी ये शिवसेना कांग्रेस और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस के लोग हैं।
मैं इस बात को बिल्कुल मान्य करता हूं कि दो बातें हुई, लेकिन उसमें हमारी तरफ से किसी ने गाली नहीं दी और ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ। मैं 22 साल से विधानसभा में हूं, हर अधिवेशन में ये होता है। हम लोग जो विपक्ष में थे या वो भी विपक्ष में थे, तो विपक्ष अध्यक्ष जी के यहाँ जाता है, 5 मिनट जोर जोर से बातचीत होती है, उसके बाद सब शांत होते हैं और हम गले मिलकर बाहर निकले। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है।
Let me cut across to Mustafa Sheikh joining us with more on this. Mustafa, we know that there's usually a ruckus within the assembly when there's a session on. It's always a heated debate. In fact, Devendra Fadnavis says that they all came out hugging each other and it was all calm and cool. What really led to the suspension of these 12 MLAs? What happened? What was the tipping point, if you can take us through?
Well, it's the Speaker's stand and the Maharashtra Assembly stand that inside the Speaker's cabin, where there are not many cameras, only CCTV footage is available, there manhandling and abusing of the Speaker in Chair, Bhaskar Yadav, had taken place on the reservation issue of the OBC reservation in local elections. That's the issue which the government is saying. The BJP on the other hand said that there were only heated arguments, abusive language was used by Shiv Sena MLAs who were in the Speaker's house along with BJP MLAs, and hence this entire story has been created as a conspiracy to suspend the MLAs so that the second day of the session, which is tomorrow, can be taken ahead smoothly. They didn't want opposition from the BJP. That's the BJP's version of the story. We'll have to wait and see if such a CCTV comes out which shows this evidence of a ruckus taking place, as you rightly mentioned, that heated arguments and ruckus in the assembly with the speakers and the opposition is something which takes place. But what exactly was the tipping point which led to such a big action of the MLA's suspension for a year? Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, thank you very much for joining us with those details.